Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I'm going to be doing a video on golden apple, also known as June plum, also known as Arambela, pomecythere, and it's from the synonym Spondias, hence the name pomecythere, and it's a plant that is found in Melanesia and Polynesia, but also at the moment found also in the tropics and subtropics. Medicinally, in Asia, it's used to treat coughs and fevers, being shredded in water, natural medicine in Asia. And also, it's packed with lots of vitamins. Vitamins A for vision, carotenoids, beta carotene, vitamin K for wound healing, and also it has thiamine to help with vision, to prevent very muscle coordination. Helps to prevent tingling of the hands, and it also contains iron, and also contains vitamin C, which also helps with wound healing, and also helps to boost the immune system, helps to fight off viruses and bacteria that can affect your body, causing a weakened immune system. As we see here, this tree here is quite tall. Depending on the environment, it can go up to 100 feet, but most of those found in orchards and ornamental gardens reach up to 60 feet, like this one here. I mean, this one's been here since being a little child, yeah, and it's survived quite a quite a lot. Right, it's been quite a delicacy since young, and even for us older people, adults, often eat the green fruit, right, which is oval. We see there you have it's a green fruit. When it's younger, it's very crunchy. As it gets older, it starts to turn yellow, golden. Hence the name golden apple. So let's get down here. Oh, it's a pretty hot day today. Yeah. So there it is. See the trunk here. Sometimes it's usually hollow in the middle here. The trunk here. You have to cut the trunk, right? The bark, right? It exudes resinous gum, right? Exudes a resinous gum. Let's see here. But lots of medicinal benefits coming out of this plant here, which is in the Anacardiacea family, cashew family. It's closely related to mango, Mangifera indica, and also cashew. Right. So here we have the fruits here. We have lots of fruits. These ones are young. See, all the way over there. So in Vietnam, they're made into a refreshing drink by mixing it with syrup. Right. Quite a refreshing drink. Made there. Using made chutneys, jams. Right. The young leaves are used in vegetables. The older leaves are used in salads. These are at the moment starting to develop. See them over the road there. Right. Barbados, the ripe fruit. Right. I'll show you. used to let's see, make nice crunchy meal there by mixing with salt and dipping it into the ocean, right? In Trinidad, you mix it with pepper. There's a lot of fruit here. Mix it with pepper. Make chow. Here it is here also. Bring it into fruit. Season here. And I will be doing part 2 because lots more medicinal benefits that I've found. Some more benefits. It's pretty tall. All the way up there. Lots of fruits. But what I found out is it's good for the inflammation of the eyes, even diarrhea, dysentery. But other parts of the world, other countries use it for different medicinal purposes. But bear with me, please. I'm going to be doing a part 2. Alright, so like I said, as vitamins A, vitamins K, B, which are fat soluble vitamins. This is also fibrous. The fruit is, has a fibrous pit. It's quite fibrous, which will help regulate the digestive tract. And also vitamin C, which is a soluble vitamin, helps in wound healing and also boosting your immune system. And also there's recent study shows that it's antihypertensive also, because it actually contains magnesium, actually contains potassium, right? And also helps in lowering blood glucose levels. And in relation to this genus Spondias, there's a hawk plum, Spondias purpura, right? Which there have been studies lately showing that it's anti-diabetic and also anti-hypertensive. So this genus, right, is not to be taken lightly. They have quite medicinal benefits, even anti-cancerous also, because also contains antioxidants. Even this one, Arambela golden apple, Arambela as it's called in Sri Lanka, contains antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin B, K, which helps to prevent oxidative stress, and also problems with your lens, right? And also helps to prevent cataracts, and also preventing cancer. Yeah, so that's it for this one. Thanks again for watching.